how to rank a GBP or Google business profile in the simplest way possible. In this video, we are going to exactly check that and how I do that for every single business. Now, in this one, we are going to use a tool called as Localo, but if in case you don't really want to use a tool, you can just replicate the same stuff and do that manually. But to save time, we are going to use a tool named as localo.com. So in a nutshell, we are having three main steps: audit and map the importance of those audit, fix them, and then watch your rankings. So starting with, let's say this is our business, the roof mentors. The tool will actually find out keywords automatically based on our categories and all, but if in case you want to add certain keywords, you can actually do that too. But if you want to just click on add profile and you can import any GBP. But let's see how you can actually do the audit, how you can actually improve the ranking of your business profile. And for the best results, make sure you're connecting with the Google business profile and then doing the stuff. But in this video, I'm gonna exactly show you how to do that without connecting it, honestly. Now, here are all the stuff that we are having. Profile, here's the business profile. It's showing us the visibility of it, then position, profile views, all reviews. This is gonna come up when you're actually importing your Google business profile, but here's the keywords. You can also manage them. Then you can also position the mapping, right? Then we are having reviews, date, competitors. Then here's the main stuff. It's an AI agent. In this AI agent, you can get personalized local SEO insight about your profile, right? For instance, let's say, you want to ask it, could you please audit my business? Could you please create a posting plan? Could you please analyze all reviews, do local keyword research, those sort of stuff. But that's gonna only come when you're actually connecting your local with Google business profile, and that's gonna give you all the access. But I'm gonna jump to the main point. This is the most important one, and this is the audit part. This is gonna show you all the audit stuff that you need on your business profile to get rankings, right? You have optimal business name length. Okay, so it's good. We don't really have to do anything. Business description length is fine, but the text quality is acceptable. But level up by adding more keywords. It's gonna show me all the descriptions, and it's gonna show me a better description as well. I can just copy this, or I can just start doing this again. Let's begin, and it's gonna give me a better one. Now I can just go copy it and paste it into my GBP. Then we are having business category. Your main category should be roofing contractor, right? At the moment, we are not really having that. So it's asking me that your main category is wrong and additional category should be these. Makes perfect sense. Then business open hours. This analysis shows the opening hours of your 15 top competitors for selected keyword. This is the opening hours of my competitors, and based on this, I can actually, just change the stuff and make it better for me. Then reviews count, you have enough reviews, you have optimal rating, which is great. Review reply, you should regularly reply to customers, which I'm not doing right now. Business directories, right? I'll go to this point. But images count, yes, I'm having enough. Post, it is best to post once a week. I did recently published a post, so it's showing that. Now citations, this is another great feature of it. It's showing me what are the citations I can do. Here you can see to do. These are all the citations. My competitors are listed, but I am missing right now, so I can just click on these, right? Get it done, and can change the status to move to done or move to ignored. Pretty damn simple. Then we are having biz.help.com. Tons of citations, and this is done based on the competitors, right? They have compiled a list of relevant sites where our competitors are mentioned, and based on that, it's showing us all the stuff. Further, we are having statistics section here, which is gonna again show you all the insights about a GBP once you have connected. Then we are having reputation. This is very important. Here we are having a review poster, right? Here's the stuff, right? If we wanna send out, or if we wanna give, let's say, a QR code or a business card or maybe a review poster to our clients, customers, we can just do that. We can change any stuff from here, and we can just copy this, or we can just download this and give it to our customers. It's pretty easy, and it helps you get more reviews. Then we are having review templates. It's the review reply template. Actually, we are already having review reply templates, and while replying to any reviews, we can just copy this, paste it, and it's pretty easy. Then we are having reviews here. It's gonna show you review growth over time, how many reviews you are having right now, and all this stuff. Now tracking, this is again a great stuff where you can just track your Google business profile for different keywords. Let's say roof, right? For roof, I'm ranking like this, and you can just check your ranking for different keywords. Pretty damn simple. Then we are having content. In here, you can, schedule to publish your photos, then also post, then also offers, right? Then we are having this section. This is task section, which is great for if you're having, let's say, if you're not an SEO and you want to be very systematic about how you're doing the SEO stuff yourself, you can certainly use this part. This is task stuff. Localer actually suggests you all the tasks you need to do right now to improve your overall ranking. And you can also actually, do this task. For instance, let's say add photos for your business profile. It's asking me to add photos. You can just schedule this with local AI, or you can also do this manually. It's pretty easy. You see this? Then it's showing me activate your free profile, connect Localo. And once I've connected Localo with my Google business profile, it's gonna further show me certain stuff that I have to do. Sorry, I just had a power cut, but I'll just continue shooting this video. This combined stuff, when you are, let's say, doing audit and finding out all the stuff that's wrong, that your competitors are doing better, once you fix them, you can just analyze that again, and boom, you're having pretty good movements. And that's it for this one, guys. I hope you like this. If you've got any other question, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Have a great day.